Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for ECNM Magazine. Check out this UF cable. So, looks like some pretty sharp bends there. Not sure that those comply with 340.24. Also pretty sharp. And the other thing that I'm really concerned about is the proximity to the ground here, and it even comes out of the ground there. And so I would say this is exposed to physical damage. A lawnmower could easily smash into this UF cable. And so I would say this does not comply with 340.12 number 10 because UF cable is not supposed to be installed where it's subject to physical damage. And I would say it is. I mean, a lawnmower could easily smash right into that. So maybe relocate it or run some conduit. Something should be done to protect it.